I'm going to quickly show you how you can share and organize your designs. I'm going to click on the 3 ellipses right here. I can save this to a specific folder in my ClickDesigns account, move it to a folder, duplicate the design, download, and delete. But most of all, you can click on the share button right here. You can choose to share your design by copying it and allowing people to view only your designs. Or if they have a ClickDesigns account, you can choose to allow them to clone and edit the design. Aside from that, you can give them the real-time hosted URL, which means you can copy this URL and then embed it on any website without worrying about hosting because the image is directly hosted here in ClickDesigns, which means any changes made to the images or designs is reflected online in real time. Plus, we have the presentation URL. You can copy this design and paste it into your browser. Plus, you can insert a call to action URL. Just slide this radio button here, type in your custom call to action content, and then type in your URL, tick the save button, and then now your presentation will also have a call to action URL added to it. All the pages of your designs will be viewed in presentation mode. Lastly, you can share it also via email by typing the email address of the person you would like to share it with. All these features are perfect for teams, clients, or anyone you want to collaborate with.